Do you put up with too much in the name of unconditional love? It's not love to give until you are overwhelmed and depleted. It's not love to allow someone to mistreat you or walk all over you just because you love unconditionally. It's not love to ignore your own needs just because you love unconditionally. It's so very important to set boundaries. Boundaries are an act of self-love. Boundaries, healthy boundaries, expressed in a healthy way and made sure that people respect your boundaries and you respect people's boundaries is actually unconditional love. Setting boundaries is definitely setting that tone of people respecting you, you contributing to people in terms of how you set your boundaries, how you communicate with them in a way that they do not get confused that what is and what is not when I'm dealing with this person. You know, you can love someone unconditionally and say no. You can love someone unconditionally and set healthy boundaries. You can love someone unconditionally and take care of your own needs first. You can love someone unconditionally and walk away. It is an act of self-love, which is absolutely not selfish when you are setting healthy boundaries. It is so very easy and simple and fluent, non-confusing, clear for you and the other person when they know what are your boundaries in your life, what you allow in your space and what you do not allow in your space. Guys, I have been putting up with so much of crap, with so much of stuff which I did not deserve just because I believed in the definition of unconditional love, which was wrong, which was absolutely coming from a space of lack of self-worth. I didn't know what is the real meaning of unconditional love. The real meaning of unconditional love is that you respect the other person, you honor the soul of the other person as perfect, whole and complete, yet you respect the same for yourself also. Acknowledge, honor yourself also as a perfect, whole and complete being, a perfect, whole and complete soul. And besides that, in the human form, you know what is that you will allow in your space and what is like intruding your boundaries. It is not anyone's right or their decision to make decisions for you. It is no one's right to walk all over you or in the name of love give you pain and do things with you that are painful to you. Be very sure that you're setting the right boundaries and loving people unconditionally, because loving people unconditionally means loving yourself so much so that you are spilling, that you are full, your cup is full and the cup is spilling of love, and that spilled over love you give to others. Yet if you try to give people, if you try to pour onto people that love from an empty cup, you give away your own pieces and you feel empty and you feel that void inside of you, which then you try to fill with so many different addictions. Good, bad, right, wrong, allowed by the legal system or not allowed by the legal system. Addictions are addictions. We hold on to emotions and those emotions hold on to energy, which becomes stale energy, which in future becomes, when held on to for a very long period of time, it becomes a disease. So in the name of unconditional love, do not take people's bullshit. Do not allow people to walk all over you. Just be very, very affirmative and assertive in terms of how you treat yourself, what you think of yourself, what you feel you deserve, what you feel you're worth of. Tables turn, guys, when you really start loving unconditionally from a space of loving yourself as well. This is Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, and I'm so very glad that I have been bestowed upon this information that I'm sharing with you, coming straight from my heart, my personal experience, and I hope this content was of value. See you very soon. Lots of love. Join our solutions community. Keep connected, and remember that you got you and you're so very good enough. Absolutely good enough, guys.